Dogecoin Doge fundamentally is a mintable coin that basically is right now exchanged at $0.8731 per unit, with the market capitalization of $12,465,850,179 that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital currency in a significant manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin have currently basically turned into the point of convergence of consideration for actually retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for enormous institutional financial backers who especially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a powerful really fence against expansion that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy. In this manner, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto especially is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who especially needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking as a matter of fact. In any case, with it really comes the need to intently, for the most part, follow the improvements on the expressed market to understand what is happening and certainly have some feeling representing things to come in a sort of significant manner. This Dogecoin cost expectation model by and large was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, generally track down the barely the best coins or tokens to essentially put resources into, and in every practical sense, keep the value been developing, or so they generally thought. However, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin investigation and cost forecast, we might want to generally help you to remember the sort of fundamental guidelines of digital money exchanging and speculation, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. So we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its ongoing standings, as well as the midterm and long-haul cost forecast that by and large depends on the readings of our exceptionally exclusive crypto unpredictability file CVIX, or so they explicitly thought. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin fundamentally remains at $0.8731, and this by and large specific computerized resource in every way that really matters stands firm on the 10th footing in the worldwide digital money sort of positioning amazingly. For your data, the especially positioning of each and every cryptographic money, especially is vigorously dependent on its in every way that really matters current market capitalization and cost, and by and large is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in a genuinely huge manner. Likewise, to get a kind of better generally handle of the market circumstance and especially grasp the, for the most part, broad bearing of the pattern, or to in a real sense register its non-appearance, it's additionally vital to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a huge manner. Yesterday, on February 25, the cost of Dogecoin generally remained at $0.086153 at the end of the in every way that really matters day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 112% distinction when contrasted with the all things considered current cost. 7 days prior, on February 19, the Dogecoin market certainly remained at $0.085166 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members in an unobtrusive manner. As the outcome, the cost explicitly moved by 0% comparable to its especially present standing. A month prior, on January 26, Dogecoin essentially was valued at $0.7991, which most certainly concurred with our cost expectation for that genuinely specific period in a truly significant manner. Contrasted with the fundamentally present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 892% cost move, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. At the point when it basically comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves sort of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its by and large, generally speaking, prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money dealers view market capitalization as a truly key pointer to sort of be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. It in every practical sense is determined by duplicating the in every way that really matters absolute number of coins that are as of now available for use coursing supply by the sort of current cost of Dogecoin, which as currently referenced by and by certainly remains at $0.8731, which sort of is very critical. Considering that equation, we for the most part have determined the genuinely current market capitalization of Dogecoin to especially be at $12,465,850,179, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those sort of present on the digital money market, or so they really thought. Yesterday, on February 25, the market capitalization of Dogecoin generally remained at $12,338.7764. Keep going week on February 19. The aggregate sum of capital committed to Dogecoin for the most part was laid out at $12,189,771,221. The information from a month prior, enrolled on January 26, really shows that Dogecoin generally had a market capitalization of $11,411,268,425, exhibiting how, when it in a real sense comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves substantially more as a sign of the coin's portion, or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its in every practical sense, by and large prevalence with a worldwide crypto-local area and financial backers in an unobtrusive manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that basically have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and in every practical sense, are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders, certainly chilly wallets, which certainly is very critical. The fundamentally all-out supply likewise considers any coins that truly have been singed put unavailable for general use to keep a solid expansion rate. It can in a real sense measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that fundamentally is public on the financial exchange in an essentially enormous manner. The kind of complete stockpile of Dogecoin right now truly remains at 143,234, 196, 384 Doge in an unobtrusive manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply is the most ordinarily involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which explicitly is genuinely huge. It compares with the best guess of the general number of coins that by and large are public on digital money trades, and for the most part add to their liquidity, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Their volume doesn't basically incorporate the coins that explicitly are vested, marked in commonly savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or generally put unavailable for general use in an exceptionally enormous manner. The coursing supply in every practical sense is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the financial exchange, which basically is genuinely huge. At this moment, the circling supply of Dogecoin really is assessed at 143,234, 196, 384 Doge, or so they basically thought. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can essentially assist one with deciding better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that, as per the principles of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently happen at the cost levels that are joined by generally high volume, since those especially are the volumes where enormous cash had certainly become an integral factor, which truly is genuinely critical. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market certainly was as per the following. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market basically added up to $353,597,930 in an especially large manner. Yesterday, on February 25, the in every way that really matters, normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting in a real sense added up to $325,856,806 incredibly. 7 days prior, on February 19,